Top 5 Essential Travel Insurance Tips You Need Before Your Next Adventure.
Welcome, travelers. Planning your first international trip can be both exciting and overwhelming. Amidst choosing destinations, booking flights, and packing, travel insurance might feel like an afterthought. But trust us, it's one of the most critical components of your plan. In this video, we'll walk you through the 5 essential travel insurance tips you need to know before embarking on your next adventure. By the end, you'll feel confident and prepared to choose the right policy that fits your needs, protects your travel plans, and safeguards your budget. Travel comes with its fair share of uncertainties. From medical emergencies abroad to lost baggage or trip cancellations, unexpected events can quickly derail your well-laid plans. This is where travel insurance becomes your safety net. It not only eases financial stress, but also provides support when things don't go as expected. Whether it's a sudden illness, flight disruption, or misplaced belongings, travel insurance acts as a shield, ensuring you're not alone in tough situations. For first-time international travelers especially, having this layer of protection can make your journey worry-free, so you can focus on creating memories, not managing mishaps. Ready to learn the must-know tips for choosing the best travel insurance in 2025? Let's get into it. The first and most important aspect of travel insurance is medical coverage. Accidents and illness don't check your travel plans. They can happen anytime, anywhere. Medical expenses abroad can be exorbitant, especially if you're traveling to countries with high healthcare costs like the United States or Switzerland. When picking a policy, ensure it includes coverage for hospital stays, doctor visits, and prescription medications, emergency medical evacuation, transporting you to the nearest adequate medical facility or back home if needed, COVID-19 and pandemic-related conditions depending on your destination. For instance, imagine you sprain your ankle while hiking in New Zealand. Without insurance, you might face huge bills, but the right plan takes care of these costs so your main focus can remain on recovery, not payments. Many first-time travelers worry about overspending on travel insurance. The good news is that getting adequate coverage doesn't have to break the bank. There are budget-friendly options available that still offer all the necessary protections. To find the best value for money policy, compare quotes from multiple providers. Avoid over-insuring by evaluating what you really need based on your trip details, for example, duration, location, activities planned. Consider higher deductibles to lower your premium costs, but make sure the deductible is manageable. The trick is finding the sweet spot, a plan that offers comprehensive protection without unnecessary add-ons. Research is key. As you evaluate policies, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could leave you with regrets later. Not all travel insurance policies are created equal, so pay close attention to the fine print. Here are some watch-outs. Exclusions. Many policies don't cover pre-existing medical conditions, high-risk activities like scuba, diving, or skiing, and certain destinations. Always check these exclusions to ensure your activities and health conditions are accounted for. Neglecting delays and cancellations. It's easy to overlook coverage for flight delays or last-minute trip cancellations, but these are among the most common travel disruptions. Make sure your policy includes coverage for such scenarios. Ignoring non-refundable costs. If a policy doesn't reimburse non-refundable expenses like accommodation or tours, it's a red flag. By carefully reading the terms and conditions, you can avoid these pitfalls and secure a policy that delivers when you need it most. Claims are a big part of travel insurance, and knowing how to handle them in advance will save you time, stress, and confusion. Let's take lost baggage as an example, a common travel mishap. If your luggage doesn't arrive at your destination, here's how to file a claim. Report the issue immediately, notify the airline or transport provider about your lost baggage, and obtain a claim or tracking reference number. Document the incident, take photos of damaged items, write down what's missing, and keep a detailed list of everything affected. Contact your insurer. Provide all required documents, including receipts for the luggage, proof of ownership, if available, and your insurance policy details. Follow up. Insurers may take some time to process claims, so don't hesitate to follow up regularly for updates. Ensuring you're organized and proactive will make the claims process smoother, getting you the compensation you deserve without unnecessary delays. While no one hopes for cancellations, unexpected events can throw a wrench in your travel plans. A family emergency, illness, or even unforeseen political instability at your destination can lead to cancellations or interruptions. Here's how cancellation and interruption coverage can help: reimbursing non-refundable expenses like plane tickets, hotels, and tours; covering costs for returning home early if something disrupts your trip, protecting you against last-minute changes caused by events out of your control, like extreme weather conditions. For example, if you've prepaid for a week-long hotel stay but need to leave after 2 days due to an emergency, this type of coverage helps recoup the remaining balance. It's an essential layer of protection for any international traveler. Now that you understand the key features to look for, it's time to pick a provider. Here are tips for choosing a reputable insurance company. Research customer reviews and satisfaction ratings. Look for companies with 24/7 customer service and global assistance hotlines. Compare policies using trusted online travel insurance platforms. Avoid working with providers who offer suspiciously low prices or lack transparent terms. Taking time to investigate your options up front will save you from potential headaches later. Travel insurance policies often come with legal jargon that can confuse first-time travelers. Here's a quick breakdown of essential terms. Deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. A lower deductible usually means a higher premium. Premium, the cost of purchasing the policy. Exclusions, situations or conditions that the insurance won't cover. Knowing these terms will help you make better decisions when comparing policies. Don't skip over policy wording. Arming yourself with knowledge ensures that there are no surprises. Depending on your specific trip, you may want to explore additional plans. Adventure sports coverage, great for thrill seekers engaging in activities like scuba diving, skiing, or rock climbing. Family plans make traveling with children or groups simpler and more affordable. Senior traveler insurance, designed for older travelers, often with tailored coverage for medical needs. If you have a unique trip planned, specialized coverage ensures that your adventure is as safe as it is exciting. When should you buy travel insurance? The best time to purchase is immediately after booking your trip. This ensures you're covered for pre-departure risks like illnesses or cancellations. Once your travel is confirmed, don't delay. Secure your coverage early for maximum protection. Let's quickly summarize our top 5 travel insurance tips. Prioritize medical coverage. Ensure robust medical emergency protection, including evacuation and treatment. Balance cost and coverage. Look for budget-friendly options without compromising on key protections. Avoid common pitfalls. Read exclusions carefully and double-check coverage for delays and cancellations. Learn how to file a claim. Familiarize yourself with the claims process to avoid added stress during mishaps. Evaluate cancellation coverage. Opt for a plan that reimburses non-refundable costs and protects against trip disruptions. Travel insurance might not be the most glamorous part of your trip, but it's undoubtedly one of the most important. By following these essential tips, you'll be prepared to choose a policy that fits your needs, protects your investment, and ensures peace of mind throughout your journey. So, as you plan your next adventure, don't skip this critical step. Do your research, ask questions, and secure a reliable insurance policy that keeps you protected every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. We're happy to help. Safe travels and see you on your next journey.